Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations using letters. The number sentences we used in the previous video used different shapes for the unknown number. This video uses letters for the unknown number. We are now going into the area of algebra. Algebra is one of the most widely used and most important topics in mathematics. Instead of talking about number sentences, we will use the term equations. For each of the following equations, find the unknown letter. Example 1. If m plus 5 equals 9, what do you have to add to 5 to give you 9? That is, 5 plus what number gives you 9? I think you know that m has to be 4, because 4 plus 5 is 9. Example 2, y minus 5 equals 2. What number, when you subtract 5 away from it, gives you 2? I think it's obvious that y equals 7. Example 3, 5 multiplied by y gives you 30. Now if you know your times tables, 5 sixes are 30, so y is 6. So this is easy if you know your times tables. Example 4, m divided by 3 equals 6. Now if you divide 3 into what number to give you 6? 3 into 12 doesn't give you 6. 3 divided into 15 doesn't give you 6, it gives you 5. What about 3 divided into 18? The answer is 6. So m must be 18, because 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. Example 5, h divided by 4 equals 5. This is similar to the division sum in example 4. So 4 divided into what number gives you 5? Well, 4 into 12 gives you 3. So that's not right. 4 into 16 gives you 4. That's not right. 4 into 20 gives you 5. So 20 divided by 4 gives you 5, so h equals 20. Example 6, 3k plus 2 equals 17. Now you're adding something here to 2 to give you 17. So you've already got 2 here, so this something, right, that part there, common sense tells you that has to be 15, because 15 plus 2 is 17. Here we go with the times tables. 3 times what gives you 15? 3 times 5, so k is 5. Example 7, 5y minus 4 equals 11. Now, something take away 4 gives you 11. Now this something, which is the 5y, that must be 15, because 15 take away 4 is 11. So if 5y is 15, guess what? Y equals 3, because 5 3s are 15. Example 8. 18 divided by y equals 3. What number divided into 18 goes 3 times evenly? No remainder. Well, is it 3? No. 18 divided by 3, that doesn't work. What about 18 divided by 5? No. What about 18 divided by 6? Aha. 6 divides into 18 3 times. So y must be 6. Example 9. 30 divided by something is 15. So we're asking the question, what number divides into 30 evenly, giving an answer of 15? So this number divides into 30 evenly, giving an answer of 15. Now if you notice, 15 is half of 30. So that gives you a clue that k must be 2. And that is correct. K equals 2, because 2 divided into 30 goes 15 times, no remainder. Example 10, 9 take away something gives you 7. I don't think you'll have any trouble with this one. 9 take away 2 gives you 7, so H is 2. And the last example, 20 take away something gives you 8. Now, you have to take something away from 20 to give you 8. Well, the thing that you take away, which is this, that has to be 12. Of course, we know that 20 take away 12 gives us 8. So the 4y must be 12. And here we go. Y equals 3, because you know from your times tables that 4 3s are 12. So y equals 3.